Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Sharnice and welcome back to Simply Niqua. And if you've been here and subscribed, thank you, hello, welcome back. If you're new here, hi, what's up, yeah. At the end of this week, it is the 4th of July, so I decided to do some fun, cool, different kind of 4th of July nails, just in case you want to recreate them or just look at my video. I'm going to do some 4th of July nails. But before you continue watching, go down below and subscribe, please. Other than that, enjoy the video, but let's get ahead and get started with this video. So to begin this nail tutorial, I started with the base coats like I do every nail tutorial. And on the index finger and pinky, I did a white, which is the LA Colors Color Craze Energy Source. And then on the thumb, middle finger, and wedding finger, I applied Sally Hansen's INSTA-DRI Making Mauves for those three. Then hopping back over to the index finger and pinky, on top I want the white to have some nice glitter shine to it. So I applied LA Colors Color Last Opal White on top of those two. On the middle finger, thumb, and wedding finger, I'm going to draw on some stars, some nice big stars for the 4th of July on these three nails. So I'm going to apply a white down first, so when I put the colors on top of the white, it's nice and opaque and it actually shows all the color, then trying to fight it from the background color, if that makes sense. So I'm going to apply the white, which I use LA Colors Color Craze Energy Source for that, and I'm drawing the stars and fill them in. As I was letting the white dry, I hopped over to the index finger and pinky and draw some red stripes on these two nails. So the red that I use is LA Colors Color Last Captive, and I apply some stripes on both of those two nails. While I was there, I'm going to apply some red glitter on top of the red stripes, which I use Pure Ice Hit the Floor on top of that red that I have down onto the index finger and pinky. As I was letting the red dry on the index finger and pinky, I hopped back over to the star nails, so the thumb, middle finger, and wedding finger, and I went ahead and colored them in. So I'm going to have red, white, and blue stars. So the red that I use for the stars, LA Colors Color Last Captive. And then the blue that I use for this is KOKIE Professional's Atlantis At Last. then I also kept some white since there was already white. And then on each colored stars, I applied their colored glitter. So for the red, I applied the Pure Ice Hit the Floor on matte on the red stars. And for the blue stars, first I applied Salon Perfect Starlight Star Bright on top of the blue. And then since it has a silver glitter in it, to kind of calm the silver down, I applied Sally Hansen's Big Teal, and it has like a little like a blue tinge to it, so it kind of calms down the silver. I applied that to all the blue stars. And then on top of the white stars, I made sure to apply LA Colors Color Last Opal White on top of that. And then at this time, I went back in, I didn't show it, but I went back in with the Sally Hansen's INSTA-DRI Making Mauves and clean up any of the stars that I need to clean up and to make them look more precise and starry. Okay, the last bit on the index finger and pinky, I wanted to like have this like paint dripping of blue, and so I took a big dotting tool and dotted 3 dots on each of the nail, and then a liner brush from the cuticle part down to the dot to make that dripping look, and then filled it in. And then on top of the blue, like I did the stars, I applied the Salon Perfect Starlight Star Bright. And then on top of that, the Sally Hansen's Big Teal. I also decided last minute, I didn't get it on camera, to outline the paint dripping of the blue in the white. So I went around the blue dripping in white, as you'll see when I put the top coat on. So I used LA Colors Color Craze Energy Source for that, but you don't really have to, but I end up doing that at the end. Okay, so everything should be done, and I applied my favorite top coat. So I used the Pro Effects Quick Dry High Gloss top coat, and I applied that to every nail. And this is what my 2019 4th of July nails look like. I hope you like them. So you guys, that is it. I did my 4th of July nails a little different this time. I really liked them. I hope you like them too. And if you want to recreate them. Go down below and tell me if you want to, if you did or not. And other than that, thank you so much for watching. Go down below, subscribe to the YouTube channel, hit the great notification bell to be notified of the other videos that I do in the week. Or you can go ahead and like the video if you enjoyed watching. So other than that, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you back next week with another nail tutorial. Bye!